Khadija.
Hi sir.
Stand up.
Yes sir.
Come here.
Yes sir.
Are you from Simla?
Yes sir. I am from Simla.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Very good. I'm also fine. May I ask some sentences? Can you reply?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes sir.
Talking to you has its own feel.
तुमसे बात करने का तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Bathing in rain has its own feel.
बरसात में नहाने का तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Having fun with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ मजा करने का तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Having fritters with hot tea also has its own feel.
गरम चाय के साथ पकोड़े खाने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Very good. Going for a picnic with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक पर जाने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Living alone has its own feel.
अकेले रहने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very nice. Teaching English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Don't make a noise, girls. You are speaking English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी बोलने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Being happy has its own feel.
खुश रहने में तो अपना ही मजा है.
Wow, wow, very nice, wonderful. You did well, my dear student. Now go and sit here.
Thank you sir.
Okay, Diksha,
Hi sir.
stand up. Come here.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Okay. Are you fine, huh?
Yes sir.
Okay. May I ask some sentences? Can you reply?
Yes sir.
Okay. Talking to you has its own.
तुमसे बात करने में अपना ही मजा है.
Bathing in rain has its own feel.
बरसात में नहाने का अपना ही मजा है.
थोड़ा कम रोना, मैं बोलने के बाद बोलना है ना. Having fun with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ मजा करने में अपना ही मजा है.
Having fritters with hot tea also has its own feel.
गरम चाय के साथ पकोड़े खाने में अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Going for a picnic with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक पर जाने का अलग ही मजा है.
Very good. Going, living alone has its own feel.
अकेले रहने में अपना ही मजा है.
Very good, very good. Teaching English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने में अपना ही मजा है.
Speaking English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी बोलने में अपना ही मजा है.
Very good. Being happy has its own feel.
खुश रहने में अपना ही मजा है.
Very nice, my dear students. Now go and sit your place.
Thank you sir.
Hello, Varsha.
Hi sir.
Stand up.
Yes sir.
Come here. Are you from Khejriya?
Yes sir. I am from Krishna.
Very good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
How are you?
I am fine sir. Thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. May I ask some sentences? Can you reply?
Yes sir.
Are you ready?
Yes sir.
Okay. Talking to you has its own feel.
तुमसे बात करने का तो ही अलग ही मजा है.
Very good. Bathing in rain has its own feel.
बरसात में नहाने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very good. Having fun with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ मजाक करने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very good. Having fritters with hot tea also has its own feel.
गरम चाय के साथ पकोड़े खाने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very nice. Going for a picnic with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक पर जाने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very nice. Living alone has its own feel.
अकेले रहने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very nice. Teaching English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very good. Speaking English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी बोलने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very nice. Being happy has its own feel.
खुश रहने का तो अलग ही मजा है.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good. You did well, my dear student. Now go and sleep. Sit your place.
Hi sir.
Stand up. Down here. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine. Are you from Upaila?
Yes sir.
May I ask some sentences? Can you reply?
Yes sir.
Okay. Talking to you has its own feel.
उनसे बात करने का अपना ही मजा है।
Very nice, very nice. Bathing in rain has its own feel.
बरसात में नहाने का अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Having fun with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ मजा करने में अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Having fritters with hot tea also has its own feel.
गरम चाय के साथ पकोड़े खाने का अपना ही मजा है।
Living alone has its own feel.
अकेले रहने में अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Teaching English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने में अपना ही मजा है।
Very nice. Speaking English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी बोलने में अपना ही मजा है।
Very nice, very nice. Being happy has its own feel.
खुश रहने में अपना ही मजा है।
Wow, very good. You did well, my dear student. Now go and sit your place. Stand up. Come here. Are you Shampura?
Yes, sir. I am from
Very good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you, and you?
So far. May I ask some sentences? Can you reply?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Talking to you has its own feel.
तुमसे बात करने में तो
अपना ही मजा है. Walking in rain has its own feel.
बरसात में नहाने का तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Having fun with friends has its own feel.
फ्रेंड से मस्ती करने में तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Having fritters with hot tea also has its own feel.
गरम चाय के साथ पकौड़े खाने तो अपना ही मजा है।
Going for a picnic with friends has its own feel.
दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक जाने पे तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Teaching English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने में तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very good. Speaking English has its own feel.
अंग्रेजी बोलने में तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very good, very good. Being happy has its own feel.
अकेले में तो खुश रहने में तो अपना ही मजा है।
Very nice. You did well. My dear student, now go and sit your seat.